Welcome to the tips and tricks tutorial of the InterApp creator. By now you should have been able to create your very first campaign, and as you can see, InterApp has made it very easy for you to create interactive content with augmented reality. Moving forward with the simplicity of our platform, I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks to kind of enhance your campaigns beyond just the basic features we have. So I'm going to show you that with the features that we have available to us at the moment. So let's go through it. We're going to create our second campaign. We're going to go to creator, select our campaign option, pizza test. We're going to browse, select our target. We're going to click next. So on your guys' first campaign or the first tutorial I walked you through, I showed you guys how to just upload a YouTube video link into here. The next cool feature that we have is called a Jiffy. And if you're not familiar with GIF, a GIF is an animated image that could be used on our flyers. So in this case, we would use this website called Jiffy. And Jiffy, if you're not familiar with it, is a platform where people upload all types of animated GIFs. And as you can see, as I scroll through, these are the animated videos that are available, and then they have stickers, and the stickers are actually just the animated PNGs, transparent GIFs, I'm sorry. So in this case, what you can do is if you can create your own animated GIFs, what I would recommend is create an account here at Jiffy, upload your animated GIFs, and start creating a library that you would use. And then once you've uploaded your GIF, you can actually copy the link of that GIF, and we're going to paste that into InterApp. So, but if you're unable to make them or don't have the time, definitely use Jiffy. It's a great resource. It's very cool. Type in what you're looking for, relevant content that you want to use to put on your visual graphic to enhance it. Copy the link, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the InterApp creator and we're going to paste it in here, and then we're going to click next. Before we use our basic social links, Facebook, Instagram, and a web link, this time I'm going to use custom buttons. The custom button feature is cool because it allows you to go beyond our default buttons here. You can actually upload your own custom icons or buttons if you want to have a specific call to action that appear on the actual visual graphic. So in this case, I want to have an email call to action. I want the user to be able to email me directly from their mobile device. I want a phone call to action. So I want the user to be able to hit a button and then call me directly. And then I also want to have a shopping cart. So I like this feature because, you know, if you have a website that's mobile friendly or a shopping site that's mobile friendly, you can actually input this shopping cart as a call to action and direct the user specifically to this page where it's mobile friendly and they can shop and do what they want to do from there. Other than that, you can use all types of icons if you want to direct them to a specific web page for a survey, a quiz, or a form you want them to fill out. So in this case, the call to action for the email is normally you would have your URL, but this time we're actually going to do a hyperlink. And I'll have the hyperlink codes actually at the bottom of this video on the tutorials page. But right now, in order to call the email function on the user's phone, you have to type in this hyperlink, mail to, and then the sender email. And then if you want to have a hyperlink for a phone call, it's going to be the same. You're actually going to have tel, T-E-L, and then the phone number. And then also I want this shopping cart button to take the user to my checkout page so they can order pizza from me right off the flyer. So I'm going to input that in here as well. And then I'm going to hit next. And then this is uploading the data, which is your usual. And you can, you know, if you have your visual graphic next to you, launch the app, interact with it, see if it works. Same thing, you can do it off the screen. Just note that this could take at least a minimum of 5 minutes to actually propagate and be ready to scan. Just as a side note. And then another side note is, if this is not your first campaign, when you come down here, you still see this next button here. Don't worry about it. It's actually disabled once you come to the preview phase. The reason is because when you first create your campaign, you've already walked through the process of purchasing your membership level and then adding credits to your account. So once we come to this stage, you don't have to do any of that. So this is actually disabled at this point. We're working on user improvements as well. But for now, all you have to do is just click back to your campaigns page, and you will see that your new campaign is available in your preview here. So we're going to switch over. I'm going to show you how these features actually work on the app side. So I have the target in front of me. I've launched InterApp, and now when I interact with the target with the app, you can see the animated GIF, and that's hosted on Jiffy. And then you can see the custom buttons, which are our call to actions. So your email, and then your phone call that directs you to the phone call, and then your buy now button, which actually just takes you to a web page. So these are the features that are available to us on the InterApp Creator for you to do these specific tips and tricks.